Find the shaded area. 0 is the centre of the semicircle. So this would be the centre if we carried on and we drew the circle all the way round. Okay, so we got the radius of the semicircle, and an area of the semicircle is pi r squared, and because it's a semicircle we need to divide that by 2. So the area of a semicircle is pi r squared divided by 2. This distance is also 6 because it has to be the same as the radius of the circle. So that means that this distance here is 6 on that rectangle, and this length here has to be 12, because if this is 6, then this is also 6, it's radius, so this is 12. So the shaded area is going to be, of the rectangle, is going to be equal to the area of the area of the rectangle, the shaded area, is equal to the area of the rectangle minus the area of the semicircle. So the area of the rectangle is 12 times 6. The area of the semicircle is pi r squared, pi times 6 squared, and then we have to divide that by 2 because we only have a semicircle, which means 72 minus 6 squared is 36 pi over 2. That gives me 72 minus 18 pi, which gives me 15.451, which gives me 15.5 units squared to 3 similar figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the area of a semicircle, the area of a rectangle minus the area of a semicircle, which gives this shaded area here. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.